Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a space shuttle and the booster in Spaceflight Simulator. So first you're going to place a 10 wide fuel tank, maximum length, and then do that 3 more times. And now, and then at the top, make it a 8 wide fuel tank. The second longest part. Then same thing with 6 wide, but still the second maximum length. And then right at the top of that, place a nose cone. And then at the bottom of that, place a 6 wide fuel tank. The second shortest. Then right there, place a Titan engine, and then do that 2 more times. You have a lot of thrust, and I'll put these in your stages. So now color all of this orange using the textures. So yeah, you probably have that now. So now in the middle, place a white fairing right here. I can't really. The third one right there in the middle of it, on the 4th 10 wide fuel tank. And then just add the same type of fairing, but it isn't the nose cone part, until it gets to the bottom of this. Or at least, I think that's how it's supposed to be. Then right there, turn on interior view and remove 2 of the fuel tanks so you can see it. Then you're gonna add a few of these basic fuel tanks. Then you're gonna add a Hawk engine right on the bottom of that. Then you're just gonna turn off interior view and put the fuel tanks of the main booster back. And actually, I kind of just got confused. But, I mean, okay, I can. Let me fix this. Okay, now you should have this. Now it's time for the space shuttle. So separately, follow my steps. So place a normal nose cone, and then do that on the other side for the nose. Then for the cockpit, just place a sideways capsule. Then make the bottom of the nose and some of the actual body black, because on space shuttles some of the nose is the color black, well, the shade. And then now you should have this nose. So now you're not going to keep doing the fuel tanks, but instead actually add fairings. So get a big fairing about the height of your space shuttle body when placed. Doesn't matter. Then now just do this 3 times. Now, for the tail, just place a few aerodynamic fuselages to go up horizontally for the tail. Now just fill that in using small fuel tanks, but still the basic ones. Now just complete that top row 2 more times down, and there's the main body of the space shuttle. Then you can add the vertical stabilizer. So I think you should just be able to follow this without my help. So I'm not gonna say how to do it. Then there you have the shuttle, and then just put it vertical and put it on the sides like this. Use side separators to separate the space shuttle. And then wait. Actually, don't fully make the tail, because we're gonna need engines on the back. So remake the vertical stabilizer just like that. Now you can put those 2 Hawk engines right there. Then just move them up 1. Then add 2 smaller engines on the sides for the orbital maneuver engines. Okay, I think I'll just make it closer. And then, well, you're gonna put 1 engine there. So there you have that space shuttle complete there. But now if you launch it right now, it's gonna be unstable. So just copy that one that you put on that side to the other side, and there you should have your double space shuttle plus the booster rocket. So hope you like the tutorial and hope it works for you. So bye guys.